Hello friends, I am Mamta Nagrat. I make videos on various study programs of Germany for non-EU international students. Today I will be covering the study programs conducted by Jacob University Bremen in Germany. So let us begin the video. The Jacob University of Germany is located in Free Hanseatic city of Bremen, Germany. It is built in 34 hectares area and it is 17 kilometer from the city center of Bremen. The students in 2021 academic year fall semester they had over 1600 students from more than 110 countries inclusive of visiting and exchange students. In the preparatory programs they have 34 students. In the bachelor's program in 2021 they have 1127 students. In the master's program they have 215 students, and in PhD programs they have 230 programs. Jacob University occupies top places in respected university rankings year by year. It occupies spaces in Times Higher Education, the World University Rankings. Jacobs University has a top ranked place in Times Higher Education, the Young University Rankings, the Times Higher Education World's University Rankings for Social Sciences. It has ranking of top U multi-rank, Humboldt ranking 2020 and SHE ranking, and it is SHE ranking is going on from 2016 to 2021. So, as far as the facts of the university are concerned, you can expect this university as one of the best universities in Germany when it comes to the private state university. The study programs are conducted in Germany in this university are in English, and they are taking the non-EU students, that is international students, for in their university. If you want to apply for a undergraduate or a graduate program, and if you feel that you are not your requirements are not being fulfilled, then they have an option of international foundation year. In the international foundation year, this course is meant for those students, those who feel that they want to pursue their course of undergraduate program in a particular field, and they want to bridge up their foundation for their area of concern. In this university, I will give you the link for the students, that how you have to apply for the international foundation year, what are the requirements, and how you can apply. I will give you the details. In brief, I will say that they require copy of your original high school certificate along with the transcripts. They need official recommendation letter from your school counselor or a teacher on the letterhead. They need a personal motivation statement, and they need a level of English language to a level of 5.5 when it comes to IELTS. Then there are the 7 stages after you submit your application, which is given here, and you may please refer to it. I will read in the bold what is written. 7 stages after you submitted your application: check documents and qualifications. Stage 1. Stage 2, issue admission decision. Stage 3, enroll in the program. Stage 4, apply for visa. Stage 5, final payment. Stage 6, sign for student contract. Stage 7, prepare for your arrival. The fee for international foundation year is, tuition fee per year is 20,000 euro, and accommodation is compulsory, which is euro 9,000. And you will get the support when you apply for these international foundation courses. If suppose you feel that your qualifications for the undergraduate programs are not fulfilled, then they have the undergraduate programs, and The undergraduate programs, if I discuss about their facts and figures, then they have 15 undergraduate programs from in which 110 nationalities they are, the students from 110 nationalities are attending these undergraduate programs, and the area which is covered by this university is 34 hectares, and they have 4 residential colleges. Residential colleges means they have a hostels for the international students where the stay is compulsory. Now, if I discuss about the subject courses which are conducted by Jacob University as an undergraduate programs, I will quickly read out. The top ranked study programs are Industrial Engineering and Management BSc, Mathematics BSc, Computer Science BSc, Electrical and Computer Engineering BSc, Robotics and Intelligent Systems BSc. In health sector, they have Biochemistry and Cell Biology BSc, Chemistry and Biotechnology BSc, Medicinal Chemistry and Chemical Biology BSc, Earth and Environmental Sciences BSc, Physics BSc. In diversity, they have Global Economics and Management BA, International Business Administration BA, Society, Media and Politics BA, International Relations, Politics and History BA, Integrated Social and Cognitive Psychology BSc. Let me tell you guys, in each and every course, in front of each and every course, there is a tab called View Program. When you go into View Programs, you will get all the details about the fee structure, how to apply, and everything. Let me also clarify that with each and every program, they have a student ambassador to help you out if you have any kind of a doubt. When it comes to the graduate programs, they have a graduate programs. I will name out some of the graduate programs, that is Data Science for Society and Business MSc, Data Engineering MSc, Supply Chain Management MSc, Psychology MSc. This is bilingual course. Then International Relations MA. Jacob University also conducts PhD programs. The PhD programs are like this: Changing Lives in Changing Socio-Cultural Contexts PhD, Global Governance and Regional Integration PhD, Welfare State, Inequality and Quality of Life PhD. Let me tell you guys, when you go on to this website, you will get all the details about the application information, fee and finances, campus life, contact and support, and you have a frequently asked question tab also. When you apply for these courses, the application process is very well defined, and you will be very easily able to apply for the courses independently. When it comes to the international foundation year, that is of 1 year. When it comes to the undergraduate programs, it is 3 years. When it comes to graduate programs, it is 2 years. Each program has a fee structure of euro 20,000 per year and a accommodation fee of 9,000 per year. There may be some additional costs involved for each course. You are requested to refer to the View Program tab for each and every course, and you will be able to find more information. As a disclaimer, I want to say that I am not a consultant. I am just sharing this information after researching on the Google. In case you have any question, you are always welcome to put a question in the comment box, and I will give you answer on my research, based on my research. Also, I will give the links of all the information which is needed to apply for any course, subject course. Like I will be giving you the links of the International Foundation Year course. I will be giving you the link for the undergraduate courses. I will be giving you the link of the graduate courses, and FAQs are there. You can refer to the FAQs. You can always refer to the student ambassador. You can refer to the course coordinator. The application process is much simpler, and you can always apply at any point of time by clicking the apply button. And the early birds are given the advantage. So early you apply for the winter semester, which starts on 1st September, better it is. So thank you so much for listening to this video, and if you have any question, you're welcome to put in the comment box, and wish you all the best, and thank you so much.